Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we will be making a video showing you how you can replace your thermocoupler on your water heater. This is one of the things that typically goes out and it causes you to go by without hot water. And it's very simple and you will see, but before we start, don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Well, here we go. First, we're gonna turn off the water heater. Turn it into off mode, turn this down, make sure everything is off. Then we're going to take this off, put it to the side. I need to put it back later. And we're going to disconnect everything from the main control valve using this key here. With the lines here, we got to be careful when we take them off, being that they're not too fragile, but we still have to be careful with them. Alright, so this is how we're just going to move it a bit. Don't move it too much. That was the pilot. Now this is what we're going to be switching out. So we're going to remove the two on the sides first in order to get access to take out the main one in the middle. So this we can just move out of the way since we're going to be replacing it anyways. Here we might need to apply a bit more pressure because this is going to be a little tighter than the other two. And then also the igniter. We're going to go ahead and take out this whole assembly here, and we'll need just a 3/8 tool here to unscrew it. One on this side. Screw that. Go ahead. Pull out the screws and keep them because we'll need them for later. Let's put it back. This. Carefully. Loosen it up a bit, being that this water heater is older. Now that we actually need to replace it, this thing is stuck into place. Alright, so we're going to take it out. In this current water heater that we have here, we're able to take out the entire burner, and this is what we have here: the pilot, the igniter, and this is the thermocoupler here. So we're going to take it out and replace it, since this is actually bad now, causing the pilot light not to stay on. So normally how it works is when this is actually, it works, it passes a few volts into the control valve, allowing it to keep the gas open that goes to the pilot, and then when it breaks, it doesn't pass any signal anymore, so the pilot just goes out. So we're gonna remove it now and replace it. Alright, so in order to take out the old one, you can literally do it any way you want, just just so how it works, because we don't need the old one. So you could just take some snips and just cut it here, take it out here, and install the new one. And when you do install the new one, make sure it comes out so that it goes just a bit past the pilot light, so when the pilot actually burns, it warms it up enough for it to pass on the signal to the main control valve. So we're gonna go ahead and install it back in. Alright, so that was pretty simple. Now we're going to go ahead and relight the water heater, and we'll be good to go. We're going to turn this into pilot, turn this to pilot. Lighting again, press this down and ignite. We're going to go a few times until the pilot lights. Pull let go. Hold it down for about 15 seconds, 15 to 20 seconds. And then we could go ahead and let go, turn it to on, and turn this into the position to where we need it. Alright, so today we went over how to replace the thermocoupler. In this case, we actually got pretty lucky. We had the type of water heater where we were able to pull out the entire burner. In some, however, you're not able to pull out the entire burner, so you just have to pull it out to the side of it and work in a really tight spot. Also, sometimes the problem where the water heater doesn't light properly or doesn't work, it can also be in the control valve, and we will show you how to replace the control valve in a different video. Also, if something goes out, we would recommend that first you look if your water heater is still under the warranty, and then call the warranty department, and they could actually provide you with the new parts at no charge to you if your water heater still is under the warranty. Thank you for viewing our video.